Om Shanti. Morning Murli, 30th July. Sweet letter of Bap Dada for sweet children. Essence, sweet children. There is no pleasure in this old world and these old bodies. Therefore, die alive to them, belong to the Father, and become true moths. Sweet children, there is no pleasure in this old world and these old bodies. Therefore, die alive to them, belong to the Father, and become true moths. Question: what fashion is there at the confluence age? What fashion is there at the confluence age? Answer: it is only at this confluence age that you children, while sitting here, go on a tour of your in-laws' home. So while sitting here, go on a tour of your in-laws' home, paradise. This is a fashion of the confluence age. Only at this time is the significance of the subtle region revealed. Second question: with which method can you easily forget poverty and sorrow? With which method can you easily forget poverty and sorrow? Baba is saying, practice being bodiless. Practice being bodiless and you will forget poverty and sorrow. The Father only comes to the poor children to make them wealthy. Only the poor children are adopted by the Father. So, the flame has ignited in the happy gathering of moths. Om Shanti. Souls have love for their Parlokik Father, the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. You know that Baba will take you away from here. When the soul of someone is about to leave his body, people try to prevent him from leaving, as they have shown in the story of Satyavan Savitri. She was so attached to that soul that she wanted him to come back into the body. However, she did not have knowledge. But you souls have knowledge. Each one of us loves that Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. Why is that love created? Why is that love created? In order to die. This love for the Father is very good. Souls have been stumbling along the path of devotion for half a cycle, wanting to go home to the land of peace. It is truly like this. The Father says, become bodiless. The Father says, become bodiless, die. When a soul separates from his body, it is called dying. The Father explains, children, die to this word. Die to this word, that is, die to this bondage. That is, belong to me. There is no pleasure in this old world and these old bodies. This is a very dirty word. It truly is the depth of hell. You children are told, now belong to me. I have come to take you to the land of happiness, where there is no mention of sorrow. Therefore, become moths and surrender to this flame in happiness. Surrender to this flame in happiness. Moths come flying in happiness. Some moths are such that they take birth when there is light, and when the light is extinguished, they die. At the festival of lights, Deepmala, there are so many teeny green colored flies. They surrender themselves to the light. As soon as the light goes out, they die. That one is the great flame. That one is the great flame. The Father says, you too surrender yourselves like moths. You are living human beings Therefore, renounce all bodily bondages while you are alive. Consider yourselves to be souls and have yoga with me. Stay in happiness, and the awareness of those bodies will then be renounced. I, a soul, am leaving this world and going to our home. This world now is of no use. Therefore, don't attach your hearts to it. There are many poor people in the world. Generally, it is the poor who are unhappy. The Father says, children, now become bodiless. Now become bodiless. We souls are residents of that land of peace. Without becoming pure, no one can go to the land of peace. At this time, everyone's wings are broken. The wings of those who consider themselves to be God are the most broken. So where would they take you? They cannot go anywhere themselves. So how could they grant you salvation? This is why God has said, I have to uplift even those sakes, etc. They simply think that the versions are spoken by God Krishna, whereas it is in fact God Shiva who speaks them. Shiva is bodiless, therefore who would surely explain through the mouth of the father of people, Prajapita Brahma. Human beings are created through Prajapita Brahma. Everyone believes that. Ask anyone and make them realize why a father creates children. A father creates them to give them as an inheritance. Brahmins have been created through Brahma. So you know that the Father is educating you and teaching you Raj Yoga in order to make you into the masters of heaven. The Father comes to change the world, to change hell into heaven. He comes to change the world of human being into the world of deities. He alone will come to give you happiness. Although human beings here are multi-millionaires and have palaces, etc., you know that you claim a very high status by studying this study. Those who study worldly studies understand that they are going to become barristers or become members of the IAS, Indian Administrative Service. It is in your intellects that Shiv Baba is teaching you in order to make you into the masters of the world. That is such a high status, and moreover, you will never become ill for 21 births. There would not be untimely death. However, for whom? For the moths who make the Father belong to them and who are adopted by the Father. Wealthy ones would not be adopted by the poor ones. The children of the poor are adopted by the wealthy. Now everyone is completely poor. You know that these palaces, etc., will all be destroyed. They will turn to dust. We are going to become the masters of the world. We were the masters but are no longer that, and we will once again become the masters. No one else can become the masters of the whole world. You become the masters of the whole world for 21 births. Happiness is for everyone. Here, people die even at a young age. There are many cases where they take birth to a king and die as soon as they take birth. It is as though that child received the kingdom only as far as taking birth. You children know that you are now sitting in front of the unlimited Father. A soul adopts a body and continues to play a part. You know that the Father of you souls has now come. He has come to liberate you from your old bondages and to connect you in new relationships. You truly go to the subtle region and paradise, etc., and meet everyone. Your connections are unlimited. There is such a good fashion. You can go to your in-laws' home. Meera in-laws' home to was paradise. She wanted to go to her in-laws' home. This is not your in-laws' home. Here you are completely poor. This is not your in-laws' home. Here you are completely poor. You don't have anything with you. Our Bharat is a very elevated land. It used to be Golden Bharat, but it is no longer that. People sing praise of when it was that. Now look what the condition of gold has become. What the condition of gold has become. They even steal all the jewelry, etc. People keep it hidden so that thieves cannot steal it from them. There will be limitless gold there. There are signs of that. There are signs of that in the Somnath temple. There are signs of how wealthy Bharat was. Look what the condition of Bharat has now become. You children know that you now belong to the Father in order to become the masters of heaven. Baba has come and he had also come previously. People celebrate the night of Shiva, but they also speak of the night of Krishna as well as the night of Shiva. There is only a slight difference. You children now know about these things. What does it matter whether the birth of Krishna takes place during the day or the night? In fact, it is wrong to celebrate the night of Krishna. The night is in fact of Shiva. However, this is something unlimited. These are the versions of God Shiva. They have forgotten Shiva and written about the night of Krishna. When night comes to an end, the day begins. The Father comes to create the unlimited day. There is the day of Brahma and the night of Brahma. Where did Brahma come from? Where did Brahma come from? He did not emerge from a womb. Who are the parents of Brahma? This is such a unique thing. The Father adopts him. He makes him the mother and also a child. It is the mother who adopts you. This is why it is remembered you are the mother and father. All of us souls are your children. It is the soul that studies and listens through these organs. You children forget to remember Baba. You become body conscious. The Father explains you souls are imperishable, whereas your bodies are perishable. Baba has explained, remember me. Baba has explained, remember me, this is your last birth. It is as valuable as a diamond. Those who belong to the Father have a birth as valuable as a diamond. You souls, along with your bodies, now belong to the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. The soul is now becoming like a diamond. The soul is now becoming like a diamond, that is, it is becoming pure 24 karat gold. Now no carat remains. By sitting here personally and listening to the Murli, you children have the feeling of Madhuban. You children have the feeling of Madhuban. It is here that the Murli is played. Although Baba goes elsewhere too, there would not be as much pleasure there, because after listening to the Murli, you go to your friends and relatives and into Maya kingdom. Here you stay in a bhatti furnace. You are studying here to attain a kingdom. This is a hostel for you to live in. So many of the family and also so many outsiders come and stay here. Here you are sitting in a school. There is no mundane business, etc. You simply continue to chit chat among yourselves. On the one side there is the whole world, and on the other side there are you. The Father sits here and explains, the beloved of you souls is just the one. The Father sits here and explains, the beloved of you souls is just the one. It is souls who remember him, because people on the path of devotion are unhappy. They wander around so much in order to meet the incorporeal Father. They don't wander around in the golden age. So many pictures have now been created. They create whatever type of pictures enters their mind. There is so much respect for the gurus. They think that we have gurus here too, just like other gurus. For instance, Sadhu Vaswani was at first a teacher and became a holy man later. He served the poor. Now he receives hundreds of thousands of rupees. People think that this too is an ashram just like other ashram. However, you understand that the Father comes here and enters the body of Brahma. So, Brahma Kumars and Kumaris are definitely needed. The mouth-born creation of Brahma, who creates the sacrificial fire of Rudra, is needed. This is the sacrificial fire of Rudra Shiv Baba. Now simply remember the one. Here it is a question of changing from human into deities. There is no other gathering where they talk about changing from human beings into deities. So only you receive the sovereignty of heaven. When you tell them this, they wonder how this could be possible and laugh at you. Then when they fully understand you, they say that what you say is right. What you say is right. God truly is the Father, and you receive the inheritance from the Father. We were the masters of heaven. Now see what the condition is. What the condition is. Tell others He is the Father and He creates heaven. Therefore, why don't you become the masters of heaven? Why are you sitting in hell? It is now the kingdom of Ravan. He does not exist in the golden age. The supreme religion is of non-violence. That is called the land of Vishnu, but they don't understand the land of Vishnu means the land of heaven. You children know that the Father comes and teaches you in order to take you to the land of Vishnu. He says constantly, remember me alone. The Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, comes and enables his task to be carried out through Brahma, Vishnu and Shankar. This is written very clearly. Call it the land of Vishnu or the land of Krishna. It is the same thing. It is the same thing. Lakshmi and Narayan in their childhood were Radhe and Krishna. The Prajapita Brahma is a corporeal being. You would not call him Prajapita in the subtle region. Adoption takes place through Prajapita Brahma. The Father makes you belong to him. This is something so easy. Simply keep a picture of the Trimurti in your home. Let there also be writing on it. Simply keep a picture of the Trimurti in your home. Let there also be writing on it. It is remembered that the establishment takes place through Brahma. However, by speaking of Trimurti Brahma, they have made Father Shiva disappeared. You now understand that that one is the incorporeal Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, and this one is Prajapita Brahma. Brahma is also called a deity. He is called a deity when he becomes a perfect and complete angel. He is called a deity when he becomes a perfect and complete angel. You cannot be called deities at this time. Deities exist in the golden age. Yours is the deity religion. They say solutions to the deities Brahma, Vishnu and Shankar. They don't say solutions to the Supreme Soul Brahma. If they are called deities, why do people call themselves the Supreme Soul? How could it be possible for all to be forms of God? This too is fixed in the drama. They cannot be blamed. How can we show them the path? All the devotees have forgotten everything. They show so many different paths. The Father explains, death is now just ahead of you. Death is now just ahead of you. If you want to claim your inheritance, you cannot receive it from Shiv Baba without Brahma. Everyone calls out to that one beloved. I come at this confluence of every cycle. I am just a point. I am just a point. Look what they compare me with. An imperishable part is recorded in such a tiny soul. An imperishable part is recorded in such a tiny soul. This is a wonder. Acha, to the sweetest beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says namaste to the spiritual children, and we spiritual children says namaste, good morning to our sweetest spiritual father. Essence for dharana: first, consider yourself to be a soul and connect the love of your heart to the one Father. This word is of no use, therefore remove it from your intellect. Baba is saying this word is of no use, therefore remove it from your intellect. Second, in order to make your life like a diamond, sacrifice yourself completely to the one Father. Mine is the one Baba and none other. Make this lesson firm. Which lesson? Mine is one Baba and none other. Today's blessing: feel Baba's hand on your head and take blessing. May you be an intense effort maker who crosses mountains of problems with your flying stage. May you be an intense effort maker who crosses mountains of problems with your flying stage. Time is constantly moving forward at a fast speed. Time never stops for anyone. Even if someone tries to stop it, it cannot be stopped. Time is the creation and you are the creators. Therefore, no matter what type of mountains of situations or problems come, those who fly will never stop. Those who fly will never stop. If something that is flying stops before reaching its destination, there would be an accident. So you children have to become intense effort makers and also continue to fly in the flying stage. Never get tired and stop. Never get tired and stop. Slogan: to make the atmosphere powerful with an attitude of remembrance is to do service with the mind. To make the atmosphere powerful with an attitude of remembrance is to do service with the mind. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba.